Hello, everyone, and welcome to episode 11 of the Amazon Selling Common Sense podcast. So, this podcast is all about forgotten Amazon selling common sense. When we are racing behind the very complex strategies, we forgot the basics. So, this podcast reminds you of basics and something advanced in that context. And so in this episode, we are solely talking about the Amazon experiments. What are these, how to leverage these, and for what type of sellers these experiments are open for. So let's get started. Let's get deep dive into it. So Amazon experiments are very much like A/B testing of the Google. But in this case, you can just test a few things. The one is title and other is only the main image, and Amazon lets it run, and they have a random sample size for these type of runs, and they will at the end will tell you which one is working. The beauty of this Amazon experiment is, so whenever you are changing something and you doesn't know it will work or not, you can just put it through this process. Amazon will tell you that it will work or not. Do you want to change some keywords in the title? Just do it. Do you want to see how the images are turning out to be when they are put up against one another for the main image? You can do it. You can just leave the you can just leave the guesswork out of it and make sure. So this is the perfect thing to do. So let's get started. So Amazon Experiments is available on the Seller Central, but it is not available to everyone. The products with a very good sales velocity are allowed to run the Amazon Experiments, because with a very smaller set of data, you will not be able to get the proper information, what you want, what you don't want. So these are the things. And first of all, go to Amazon Experiments. If you're not finding it, you can do it through Amazon brand analytics tab. From in there, brand tools, in there you can find the brand experiment. Go in there and see if your product is eligible or not. If your product is eligible, then you can run a single experiment at a time on it. Now, one of the experiment I have run for one of my clients was just changing a title. By just putting a few words here and there, we see a very interesting pattern. With our traditional or the older title, we were not getting much sales when people were searching straight out, but we were getting sales when they find us beneath the other products in the sponsor tab. Opposite to it, the new title, which is a B variation of it, was doing pretty good in the search results. And Amazon in between has told us a 71% chances are that so this title is going to win. And we keeps on looking, the data gets more interesting, and in the end we have seen some very good statistics. So it also gives you the views and clicks by search results. Sorry, not views and clicks, only by orders on the search results and on the other detailed pages. So you understand how it spans out. It would be whether your one title should be working for the search results and other one might be working for the product detail page whenever your products are showing under the other products. And you can make an informed decision. These are small tools. If it adds up to 2, 3, or maybe 5% of the conversions, think a broader picture. You are selling 100 units, you can sell 105. These small things do matter. Like in my last episode, I have mentioned about the post. In this episode, I have mentioned about the experiments. Combine these two, you might get a 10% of enhanced conversions. And this can be game changer for some people. So that's it, guys. This was episode 11 of the Amazon Selling Common Sense podcast. Thank you.